Carmen, you can't lie.
At that point, Gigabyte's a V-rank.
Now!
Now, the LSIA.
So, we're trying some... Recording for 10 minutes! Yeah.
Just a moment. I may be able to see more. Let me slip into a deeper trance.
It's 11:30. Be careful and stay awake.
Well, that was awkward.
What?
So I have changed.
Really boring.
Ever since I was a little girl, I wanted to help.
Oh, well, guess what? You're grown up. We're playing Phasmophobia hockey.
Yeah, hello there. We've been trying to reach you about your car's extended warranty.
Thank you, Blocky. The 2% volume.
Horror, you're not.
Kind of just stays there.
My ceiling!
Versions is gonna be my.
Oh, fuck.
Email. It is such a. He used to take these things. What's the trailer doing?
I don't care.